Hello, I'm Dwayne T. James with the University of Missouri Extension, where I serve as a field specialist in community development and also the statewide director of access and engagement. It's a privilege to be here today as the Neighborhood Leadership Fellows Program receives the 2025 Extension Committee on Organization and Policy National Extension Award for Innovative Programming that addresses new audiences. This award recognizes the collective work of our fellows, collaborative partners, and communities, in addition to all of the co-facilitators that have helped deliver NLF over the year. Collectively, we have built and delivered a program that has had transformative impact throughout the St. Louis region.
The cohort in itself provides you with access to people who are doing work in community, and that's been the greatest asset. Building those relationships, but building those friendships, and having that support when you need it has been invaluable.
Neighborhood Leadership Fellows is a 9-month civic leadership program for residents residing or working extensively in parts of St. Louis City and North St. Louis County. It launched in 2018 in response to the need for targeted investment in the St. Louis Promise Zone, a region that has been historically under-resourced. Our mission is to increase and amplify the voices of residents to work towards local systems change through advocacy skills and the knowledge needed to gain access to civic leadership tables. NLF recruits leaders from neighborhoods with high indicators of health disparities, including unemployment, high school graduation rate, housing cost burden, and life expectancy factors, areas where civic leadership and lived experience are greatly needed. By focusing on this sector of our communities, we're not just reaching new audiences, but restoring trust through representation and collaborations. And in 2025, we've expanded our footprint to additional neighborhoods in St. Louis to continue to reach new audiences and launched a pilot program in the Southeast Missouri region with plans to scale in 2026.
I was questioning if my experiences were even still relevant, or even still valid. And so what NLF taught me was I am very much relevant. My lived experiences are valuable.
NLF has more than 170 alumni, leaders who are stepping up to serve the most impacted communities in our region. More than 30 alumni have run for elected office, with 2/3 winning their races. Over 40 have served or are currently serving on boards or commissions, helping shape decisions that directly affect their neighborhoods. Graduates leave the program with a strong foundation in civic leadership, community organizing, team building, and policy advocacy. They know how to mobilize others, communicate effectively, and push for community voice in decision-making spaces. They're equipped to lead, and they're doing it.
I'm actually also in the process of being developed to run for councilwoman in 26. I know that if I had not participated in NLF, I would not have taken the leap.
What makes NLF innovative is its collaborative model. Fellows engage in workshops on development, data, policy, strength-based leadership, and governance, paired with hands-on training in community organizing, project-focused strategic doing, and communication. We bring together research, regional experts, local decision makers, and residents to co-create solutions rooted in lived experience and what is possible through a collective network. On behalf of my co-facilitators, our NLF alumni, and our partners, thank you for this meaningful recognition. It affirms our belief that leadership lives in every neighborhood, and that when we invest in people, we transform systems. Thank you.